The BMW M8 competition. One of the pinnacles of BMW performance, prestige, and power. Big, elegant, and fast. But it lacks in just one department: sound. Thankfully, BMWtech has the solution with our complete Alpha 1 speaker and amp system. While the factory system is good, you don't buy an M8, and you definitely don't buy an M8 competition for good. You buy one because you want the best. Alpha 1 is the best when it comes to BMW audio. Our speakers are expertly crafted to deliver deeper lows, cleaner mids, and crisp highs at any level. They are completely plug-and-play with no cutting or splicing required. If you're getting the best speakers, you want to send the best audio to them, and the Alpha 1 amp allows for that. Based on answers given by you during your purchase, your Alpha 1 amp will be pre-tuned to your specific car and your specific ears for the specific music you listen to. For this M8, the amp installation is still plug-and-play, but a custom mounting solution is required as a mounting bracket is still under development but coming soon. Installation of both the amp and speakers will take a little bit of your time but is very straightforward. Of course, if you don't want to do the installation yourself, you could find one of our certified installers near you. We have them in about 30 countries around the world. In the Orlando, Florida area? Well, then stop on by and we can do it for you. If you have one of the best BMW has to offer, shouldn't you have the best sound system there is as well? Alpha 1 by BMWtech. It's not just the sound system you want, it's the sound system your M8 needs.